can stop me, I'm
Alright guys, so it's Wednesday, September the 12th, and it's 1:19 Central Standard Time. About to head into work, about to finish all my work as fast as I can, and then hurry up and try to edit this video. And I hope to, my goal is to publish it tonight or tomorrow morning. Alright guys, so just a quick recap on everything. What I ended up doing, or what you will be seeing in this video, is me getting some trailer ramps. I did some modifications on my trailer. Decided to, you know, give it a little bit of just my touch. It was looking a little like kind of just thrown together, but hopefully you guys like my mods. So I got a tire, a spare tire rack. I got the equipment defender racks, thank you Yellow Jacket. I got new ramps. I got some D rings, and I think that's it. So yeah guys, excited for those things, and definitely continue watching, and let's grow. All right, peace. What's going on YouTube? Here in the garage, just trying to get a little work done. Yo, so check this out. I'm greasing my fittings here, and then I pull the grease gun out, and then check this out. This is the nipple that goes in here. Sorry about the lighting, guys. So I'm trying to pull this out, and it's a little difficult. I'll eventually get it out, but it was just a little weird. Yo, so check this out. I bought these, and the idea is to get these kind of organized and put this here. And this can kind of like sit on it like this. Okay, so that's the idea. We'll see how they work.
This is kind of my bag of bolts and things. So right now what I'm looking for is some bolts, kind of like this. Or maybe in these will work good to bolt this on and see how that works. Alright, got this from Harbor Freight. And I'm just trying to make this trailer look a little nicer than what it is.
Trying to look a little more professional out there. I ordered a net.
Nothing can stop me, I'm
So here's the progress so far. Got these D-rings in here. And now for the main event. Equipment defender. Gonna try to install it somewhere here. Don't know where, but I'm going to try. See what I can get done over here. All right, let me open this up. Okay. All right, so this is what we got here. This is what we got. Let me see what I can work with this. Let me see what I can see. Alright, that's probably the base right there. Not sure what that is.
Like Curtis from Weed Whacker Lawn Care says, this is gonna take some time.
Many hours later.
What's going on YouTube? I'm not even sure what time it is. It's gotta be 2:08. Man, this backpack blower kicked my Look at this mess. Look at this. But it's installed. That's how it looks. Just wanted to give you an update. And when I get started on something, I have to finish it. So late for Wednesday, but it's done. There it is. All right guys, I'm gonna clean this up so I don't have to do it tomorrow morning. And yo, so I'm outside of Harbor Freight, but before I step in, just wanted to say what's up to you guys. Good morning. It's a blessing that we're awake. Last night I stayed up real late putting on the equipment defender racks. It took me a while to figure everything out, and I had to use a lot of my own hardware, but I'm so glad that I finally got them on. So I went to bed around 3:30. My normal bedtime is like 11 latest. So but no complaints.
Stop me, I'm all
I'm up, I'm awake, and I may be tired or drinking extra coffee today, but I'm ready to get the day started. So what I'm gonna be buying at Harbor Freight is some new ramps for my trailer. I made some upgrades, and I'm gonna show them to you today, and hopefully you guys you know, like the improvement that I'm making on my trailer. All right. Alright guys, so I'm gonna purchase this ramp here. Every time I come here I always see something that I like, but I'm gonna try to stick to this, and hopefully that's it.
That's the grease gun that messed up my nipple. But I got more nipples. Let's do it.
What's going on, guys? I ended up getting Harbor Freight loading ramps. We'll see how these things work and see if they serve a purpose in my setup. What's going on, guys? So I'm at Thornton's right now. I need something. A little tired, but let's keep it going. Ended up getting a Red Bull, guys. I never drink these things, and I have no clue why I started today. Maybe because I stayed up late. Still complaining about that. Sorry. So yeah, Red Bull to get up.
stop me, I'm all the way.
It's always exciting when it's your first time riding down trailer ramps. Here they are in all their glory. Going on YouTube, so working on the trailer, just trying to give it a little spruce up, you know what I'm saying, so it looks a little nice. You know, hit the spray paint right here.
Trying to black things out a little bit. These were silver. You know, trying to make myself look more presentable. Plus, got the equipment defender racks. You know what I'm saying? So now I'm a level up now. Got the tire mount. Looking good, looking good. Stay blacked out, incognito, you know what I'm saying? Incognito's the best way to roll.
Guys, so I'm at work now. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that video. If you did, definitely smash that like button. If you comment on my videos, I will comment back. I read all my comments, maybe not right away, but definitely do read them. You'll get a like, a love, or at least a comment back from me. So thank you for joining the subscription club here, and catch you guys on the next one. All right.